Airbrush is a perfect tool to paint various medium like paint, dyes, inks and makeup on any canvas or surface. It provides more finesse finish than normal spray painting. But Airbrush alone is not capable of completing large tasks. To complete tasks at bigger volume, Airbrush Compressor is an appropriate addition, as it provides continuous air supply for extended airbrushing. While purchasing the best airbrush compressor, we recommend to consider below factors. Diaphragm compressor, they deliver air pressure of max 40 psi. They are suitable for single airbrush. However, they cannot be used continuously for very long periods, as it gets overheated. And it also generates a lot of noise. Piston compressor, compared to above, they provide significant amounts of air. It enables to use multiple airbrushes at once. They are effective, powerful, and don't get overheated. So, let's get started. Number 10 is Iwata Media Studio Series Power Jet Pro Double Piston Air Compressor. Features of this product. Iwata is one of the most popular and trusted airbrush compressor manufacturers. While it offers a huge variety of compressors, we are here with one of the most premium options offered by Iwata. The Iwata Airbrush Compressor is present in the second position in this article, as it is a high-performance option. And even then, it offers excellent power efficiency. The oil-less piston of this airbrush compressor makes it an excellent option for many users, and the 1.6 HP induction motor offers a 1 to 70 psi pressuring capacity. You also get a capacity of 1/2 gallon in this compressor, which is sufficient for airbrushing. It also offers excellent build quality, which is expected at the given price. You get twin pressure gauges on the side of this compressor along with moisture filters. And all of these things make it one of the best options for airbrushing. The next is Number 9. Noname Quiet Compressor for Airbrush with Air Tank Model 2D. Features of this product. This quiet compressor comes with a 3-liter air tank and a 1.6 HP motor for optimal work with airbrushes of up to 0.7 mm nozzle size. Besides, the compressor is equipped with a filter to provide consistent airflow and prevent pulsations. Like most other airbrush compressors on our list, this also follows an oil-free design with any maintenance. The compressor undergoes a rigorous testing and inspection process before being dispatched to ensure effective operation. The compressor supports a pressure range of 0 to 100 psi that is suitable for a wide range of applications including commercial spraying, nail studios, cosmetics, illustrations, and hobby modeling. The equipment operates quietly with a noise level of just 47 dB. It comes with auto start as well as auto shut-off functions to allow ease of use. Noname backs this airbrush compressor with a 1-year warranty from the date of purchase. The next is Number 8. 0.015 HP Airbrush Compressor. Features of this product. It is one of the only oil-less air pump that offers a powerful 1.5 horsepower. As a result, you can take any type of airbrushing project load. It offers an airflow rating of CFM 1.0 while being quite silent. This airbrush compressor has a noise rating of 55 dB. You get a maximum air pressure of 58 psi in this air compressor for airbrushing. Additionally, the automatic restart feature of this air compressor could offer airbrush artists a relief from the overheating issue of compressors alongside. This feature also helps you to save electricity. Since it is an oil-free pump, you can use it for food painting and other related applications. The next is Number 7. poshd 3000 or 1.5 HP compressor with tank. Features of this product. You get an oil-less 1.5 horsepower piston compressing unit in this airbrush compressor unit. It offers a maximum operating pressure range of 20 to 40 psi, which could be sufficient for any moderate level of airbrushing requirement. And despite its power, this air compressor is very lightweight and generates a minimum level of noise during the runtime. This compressor also provides the auto shutoff feature to increase the energy efficiency and overall functionality. A moisture filter is there to prevent and protect this compressor from any moisture-related issues. Another great thing about this airbrush compressor is that it offers an adapter for 1/8 BSP hoses for great compatibility. Furthermore, it has also been provided with a 4 gallon of air storage capacity. And the carrying handle offers a great feature for mobility. The next is number 6. ZENY Pro 15 HP Airbrush Air Compressor Airbrushing Kit. Features of this product. ZENY Pro is another excellent option if you are looking for budget airbrush compressors. As a result, you can expect decent power from this compressor for painting using an airbrush. This ZENY Pro can reach an air pressure of up to 57 psi with its 15 horsepower compressor motor. And it can do this without getting too loud since it has a noise level of just 59 dB. As a result, using this silent airbrush compressor is quite easy as it is also quite compact. It has PSI range of 0 to 57 psi. The massive 3 liters air tank allows you to use this compressor for a long time for airbrushing. You can also adjust the airflow and its dryness using the various gauges offered by this compressor. And a great thing about it is that it provides a 1-year warranty. The next is number 5. VivoHome Air Compressor and 3 Airbrush Kit. Features of this product. VivoHome's professional airbrushing paint system is a multi-purpose machine with 3 different types of multi-purpose fluid tips. The paint system is equipped with an airbrush holder that can hold 2 airbrushes. And using the 15 HP air compressor along with the air filter water trap, the system is capable of delivering 23 to 25 Lmin airflow and 0.8 cfm air volume. The airbrush compressor comes with multiple features that give you professional results along with providing ease of use. With the 3 different detachable spray guns, you can achieve control and different degrees of spray for diverse applications. To ensure a safe working experience, the paint system is equipped with thermal protection and auto-stop functions. The equipment works quietly with a noise level of just 47 dBs. The next is number 4. KOSKI Handheld Airbrush Kit, Portable Mini Air Compressor. Features of this product. Coming to the last airbrush compressor, we have a popular option from KOSSCCI. And this compressor is quite different from all other options in this article. It is a handheld, portable, and convenient airbrush, and which comes with a charging cable. This combines the airbrush as well as the compressor unit into one. As a result, it is an excellent option for miniature work like food or ornament airbrush painting. As for power, this airbrush compressor charges over USB, and takes 30 to 50 minutes to charge fully. You can charge this device using any USB-capable device like a car, laptop, or even with a phone charger while traveling. Thus, the usability and the lower maintenance hazard of this product make this product a must-have airbrushing device for every type of airbrush artists. The next is number 3. California Air Tools Cat 1P1060S Light Amp Quiet Portable Air Compressor. Features of this product. Product description: California Air Tools is another great option if you are looking for airbrush compressors on Amazon. And the Cat 1P1060S is one of the largest air compressors in this article. It comes with a large air tank of 1 gallon which allows you to use your airbrush for a long time at once. This product offers a motor 0.6 horsepower that generates a maximum airflow of 1.2 cmf. And this airbrush compressor can generate an air pressure of up to 90 psi on-demand air pressure. Alongside, it is noticeably silent, creates noise only 56 decibels. Even though this airbrush compressor is quite large and powerful, it only weighs 29.5 pounds. And the oil-free pump results in very low maintenance for this airbrush compressor. It is made out of steel for optimum build quality. The next is Number 2. Master Airbrush Cool Runner 2 Dual Fan Air Compressor. Features of this product. Master Airbrush Cool offers multiple airbrush compressor options. And the Runner 2 Dual Fan Air Compressor comes with various accessories and provides a compact package. This airbrush compressor is in the first position in this article, as it is very quiet with decent performance. It offers 0 to 57 psi air pressure adjustment range. You also get a total of 3 airbrushes and 6 primary acrylic paints included with this airbrush compressor. The 1.5 horsepower single piston compressor is more than enough for your airbrush painting needs. It generates a minimum level of heat while running for an extensive period of time because of both the 2 cooling fans. Furthermore, this product comes with Model G22, Model E91 and Model G25, 3 most successful airbrushes of this company. The next is Number 1. Master Airbrush Multi-Purpose Gravity Feed Dual Action Airbrush Kit. Features of this product. We have yet another airbrush compressor model of Master Airbrush in this article. And just like the previous one, this is also a multi-purpose kit. This product comes with all the necessary equipment that you need for airbrushing. It is in the third position in this article, as you get a great airbrush called Airbrush G22 with it. Airbrush G22 is a high-performance quality product that comes with a 1/3 ounce gravity fluid cup and a 0.3 mm fluid tip. The compressor itself comes with a 1.5 horsepower air compressor with air filtration and regulation system. You also get an easy-to-use carry handle, 6-foot braided air hose, 1.5 single piston. So this is the best option for you to buy. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.